Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand stated that 15 lakh tree saplings were planted across 16 districts in the state during the last 2 weeks as a part of the Van Mahotsav observance. He was speaking as a chief guest at the state-level green finale of the 77 Van Mahotsav celebration at the City Convention Centre, Palace Compound, Imphal. The event, held in convergence with Ek Peड़ Maa Ke Naam 3.0, was jointly organized by the Forest Department and the Forest Force. Deputy Chief Minister Losi Diko, Chief Conservator of Forest Anurag Bajpayee, Arjuna Wardi Naurem Rosibina, Principal Secretary Forest Arun Kumar Sinha, Manipur University Vice-Chancellor in charge Sumitra Fanjobam and JFMC Carmeral President Sagolsem Bina also attended the function. During the event, attendees planted tree saplings inside the CC Higher Secondary School campus and distributed prizes for a painting competition held previously in connection with the 77 Van Mahotsav observance. Speaking further, Chief Minister Khemchand stated that the 2-week observance witnessed active participation from civil society organizations, women's groups, non-governmental organizations and students. Emphasizing the impact of environmental degradation in the state, he expressed deep concern that the state has already started paying the price of climate change. Khemchand noted that rising temperatures have created a situation in which every household needs an air conditioner, unlike in the past.
Climate change is a so maramama, we among Coctopus or Joe Maramani, and a Tuan Baba Punsinda, we Mahomna Madamna, Yarabaki, Labi, Semba, Popata, Uyanba, Tagahu, Karata, Washington, Director, Uyanba, Tokriba, Totomayamashina, Equina, Ram, we limit them the SCH the garden, the Fain Hobby the garden, the climate change now, Homesi, then Jingle Kupop, Yumoragadi, Fain, Target, Fain, the Ing the Sansi, with temperature, the Inguyan. They are looking at the climate change with the vaccine to it. I don't know for the future generation, high tide, Sumba, Sogama, Pangtuisi, Sigini,